to another video. In today's video, we're going to be ranking the top 10 up-and-coming washing machines of 2024. Now, to start this video off, I have to say, like and subscribe. Now, let's get into it. Now, first up, we have this washing machine right here. This is a Samsung S12906X23298 Ultra Pixel 94 washing machine. This is a really handy washing machine as it does wash your clothes, unlike some of the other ones on this list that may or may not work. Now, it does come at a hefty price of $3 million, however, that is quite worth it for this washing machine. Number 2, we have the good old-fashioned Whirlpool. I don't know what model this is, but it's very valid. Some technical difficulties there. I don't know what washing machine, model this is, but it is the one that I use every day. And it does in fact kind of wash my clothes. They're really stinky, and they smell like dirt, and they look like dirt, but, I think it washes them pretty good. So, yeah, that's why it takes the number 9 spot on the list. Okay, yeah. Alright, and number 3, we have, one sec. Alright, some more technical difficulties there. Yeah, this is I don't know what this is. It's pretty cool though. It looks pretty nice. It's white. It washes clothes, I'm pretty sure. And it does come at a price of $8, which is, it's alright. It's a little bit expensive side, but, I think it washes clothes pretty good, yeah. Yeah, maybe get that one. Alright, next up, we got this one. This one's yellow, which is pretty awesome. Yeah, I think this is a Yamaha. Yeah, this is a Yamaha, definitely. This is the Yamaha, Raptor. Yeah, it's the Yamaha Raptor. I know what you're no, it's not the 4-wheeler. Yeah. No, this is actually the Yamaha washing machine, which came out, in 20 BC. No. Shoot. I can't remember when it came out. It's pretty good, though. My friend has it, and it washes his clothes. It still smells like burnt cheese. But, yeah, no, it's pretty good. Yeah. Get this one. Number 5 on the list. We got this one, yes, sir. This one kind of looks like a trash can, but, like, to be honest, that's kind of cool. It's, like, very minimalistic. It's got a lot of buttons, though. It's kind of futuristic looking. It's very cool. I think it's a Logitech, G753. And, yeah, and it's pretty good. It washes clothes really well. It makes them smell good if you put the right detergent in it. And, which it doesn't actually take detergent, but if you put detergent in it, it still works. It just, like, it only works one time, though. But, yeah, it's pretty good. My friend also has this. His name's, Tyler. And he has it, and he says it works really well. He loves washing machines. Like, he's just an enthusiast. Why is it on the screen so fucking long? Holy shit. Yeah, next one. We have this one. It's super fancy. Okay, this is also another Samsung. This one's super fancy. This one, it looks really awesome. It's a Samsung XXXXX983, which is awesome, dude. I love this one. This is like my favorite one. It comes in like a variety of colors too. It comes in black, white, gray, it also comes in red, I'm pretty sure. It's pretty cool, and, I like this one. I would recommend getting it, but there are better ones on the list, and it does, in fact, come at a price point of, $6, which is, again, on the pricier side, for this list. Okay, so, yeah. Alright, so number, whatever, next one, yeah. Next one is really freaking awesome in my opinion. It's white and it's really cool looking. It washes clothes pretty decent. It can wash like 6 shirts at a time, which is like crazy to me, to be honest. And yeah, so like I put my underwear in this one. I have 4 washing machines, so I put my underwear in this one because it does a really good job like cleaning underwear and stuff. And so yeah, that's it, and it comes at $3, which is not that bad. Alright, we're getting into top 3 here. Top 3 washing machines to buy in 2024, up and coming. This is a really nice washing machine. As you can see by the picture, it's in a warehouse because nobody buys them anymore because they're so underrated. This is another Logitech one. This is Logitech GX3L, and this is super nice washing machine. It washes clothes, and that's pretty much all it does. But it washes clothes, and it is expensive. It's $300,000, but it's worth it pretty much, kinda, almost. It's kinda worth it ish. If you have that much money just laying around, then yeah, it's worth it. Yeah, and now to the number 2 spot on the list. Number 2 on the list. Yes, sir. Almost at number 1. We got this one. It's a double decker. Yes, sir. It's a Webbler. And obviously, Webbler goes crazy, bro. Webbler is insane. Probably one of the best washing machines on the market right now. And it only comes at a price of $1,000, which is really cheap, actually. If you really think about it, it's really not that much money. And yeah, that's pretty awesome, right? So yeah, it kind of sounds kind of weird. That's why it's at number 2. It sounds like this. And yeah, that's what it sounds like. But it does wash clothes pretty good, and it gets them really clean and stuff. So yeah, yeah. And that puts our number 1 spot at the Siemens. Yes, sir, Siemens washing machine. This is an awesome washing machine that just goes the best, and it's super futuristic looking, awesome, and it comes in at a price point of $3 million. Unfortunately, as you can see in this picture, somebody did not know how to repair it. It does break like almost every time you wash something, but you know, that's alright. If you know how to fix it, it's really easy. So yeah, and that's why it takes the number 1 spot. Okay, thank you for watching my video, guys. This was super awesome. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye. Also subscribe to my friend Tobias is God, because Tobias is God. And obviously that is gonna be it.